Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi router AX3600, and I'm gonna show you how to enable Wi-Fi 5 compatibility mode. So, if you are using very old device and you want to connect to this Wi-Fi network, but this device can't support Wi-Fi 6, so maybe open the settings and enable Wi-Fi 5 compatibility mode. Click on it and wait until your device will restart. So you can restart Wi-Fi on your PC too to make it faster. And let's try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi router and reload the page. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.